In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make drop-down menu in Squarespace. If your navigation's getting crowded or you want to group related pages together, a drop-down menu is the cleanest way to keep things organized and easy to browse. Start by opening your Squarespace dashboard and head to your site. From there, click Website, then click Pages. This takes you to the Pages panel, where you can see everything that appears on your site's navigation. At the top of this panel, you'll notice a section labeled Main Navigation. Anything placed here shows up in your site's main menu, so this is exactly where we'll create the dropdown. Look for the plus icon within the main navigation area and click it. A small menu will appear with different item types. Choose Dropdown. Squarespace will instantly add a new dropdown item to your main navigation. Think of this as a container that holds multiple pages. It won't have content of its own. Instead, it helps you nest and organize your existing pages. Give your dropdown a clear short name. This name is the label visitors will see in your menu, so make it descriptive, something like Services, Shop, or Learn. To rename it, just click the placeholder text and type your title. Changes save automatically, so you don't need to hunt for a separate save button. Now it's time to place pages inside the dropdown. In the Pages panel, click and drag any page you want to include, and move it directly underneath the drop-down item. As you drag, you'll see a visual guideline. When you indent the page slightly under the drop-down, release it. That indentation confirms it's now part of the drop-down. Repeat this for each page you want grouped. You can reorder the items inside the drop-down the same way. Drag to move them up or down until they're in the sequence you prefer. A quick tip: keep your drop-down label broad and the items inside it specific. This helps visitors quickly understand where to find what they need. Also, try not to overload a single drop-down with too many pages. Simpler menus are faster to scan. On mobile, Squarespace will automatically convert this into a tap-to-expand menu, so your organization still works well on smaller screens. That's it. You clicked Website and Pages, added a drop-down within Main Navigation, named it, and dragged your pages under it. Your menu is now cleaner, more professional, and easier for visitors to navigate. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined Squarespace site.